Hey everyone! Welcome back to our fun learning channel. Today, we're going to talk about shapes, specifically squares and rectangles.
Whoa!
Are you all ready? Let's get started. First, let's talk about rectangles. A rectangle is a shape with 4 sides and 4 corners.
Whoa!
And opposite sides are equal. That means the top is the same length as the bottom, and the sides are the same length too. Rectangles can be long and narrow, or they can be short and wide. Now, let's look at squares. A square is also a shape with 4 sides and 4 corners. But here's the special part. All 4 sides of a square are the same length.
Whoa!
So, it's like a rectangle where every side is equal. Okay, so how is a square a special type of rectangle? Well, remember how we said rectangles have opposite sides that are equal? In a square, all sides are equal.
Oh, wow!
So every square can be called a rectangle because it still has those 4 corners and opposite sides that are equal. Both squares and rectangles have
Whoa!
4 right angles.
Whoa!
But not every rectangle is a square, since not all sides have to be the same length. Let's see some examples. Here's a rectangle that's long and narrow,
Whoa!
and here's a square that's perfectly
Whoa!
even on all sides. Look how the square fits the rectangle's rules, but is also special because it has equal sides. Okay, it's quiz time. I'll show you some shapes, and you can guess which ones are squares, rectangles, or both. Ready? Let's go. 1. This shape has
Amazing.
4 equal sides. What is it?
Wow!
Yes, it's a square. 2. This shape has 2 longer sides
Amazing.
and 2 shorter sides. What is it?
Wow!
Exactly! It's a rectangle. Great job, everyone! Now you know that squares are a special kind of rectangle. They both have 4 sides, but squares are
Whoa!
special because all their sides are the same length. If you see a square, remember it's a rectangle too. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time, and keep exploring shapes. Bye for now.